Hey everyone, welcome back to Midlife Mastery here on 19 Sarge 72. Today, we're embarking on an exciting exploration of the midlife journey, a time brimming with possibilities and transformations. Forget the outdated notion of midlife crises. We're talking about midlife triumphs, those exhilarating moments when you realize you have the wisdom, experience, and frankly, the guts to chase after what truly makes you come alive. So, buckle up, grab your favorite beverage, and let's redefine midlife together. Our first stop on this journey of midlife mastery takes us deep into the world of art, passion, and the courage to embrace a long-forgotten dream. Meet Michael, a man who, for decades, navigated the demanding world of finance. The suits, the spreadsheets, the boardroom negotiations, they were all part of his daily grind.
See, I had always loved to paint. As a boy, I would spend hours lost in a world of color and canvas, transforming my imagination into vibrant works of art. But life, as it often does, took me down a different path.
Years passed, and the demands of work and family life pushed those artistic aspirations to the back burner.
It was then that I decided to dust off those old paintbrushes and reconnect with my childhood passion. The feeling was electric.
He began to carve out time for his art, stealing moments from his busy schedule to lose himself in the creative process. Word of Michael's talent spread, first among friends and family, then through the local community. Michael's story is a powerful testament to the transformative power of rediscovering lost passions in midlife. Let's talk about a topic close to all of our hearts: financial freedom. And who better to guide us than Alex, a man who turned his passion for drone flying into a thriving business and secured his financial future. Alex always loved tinkering, building things, figuring out how things worked. So, when drones first hit the market, he was immediately captivated.
Friends and family were amazed by my skills and the stunning perspectives I captured. Soon, people started asking if I could film their properties, events, even weddings using my drone.
What began as a hobby quickly blossomed into a full-fledged business. Alex's aerial photography and videography were in high demand. He found himself filming everything from real estate listings and construction projects to music festivals and sporting events.
I was my own boss, setting my own hours, choosing my projects, and watching my income soar alongside my drone.
He had achieved the elusive dream of turning his passion into profit, and in the process, secured his financial future. Alex's story is a powerful reminder that midlife can be a time of incredible entrepreneurial opportunity. Midlife is not just about personal transformation, it's also about rediscovering and rejuvenating the relationships that matter most.
Take Zoe and me, for example. We were inseparable in college, partners in crime, confidants, adventurers. But as life often does, it took us on different paths.
Then came their 25th college reunion. Amidst the familiar faces and nostalgic memories, Linda and Zoe reconnected.
The spark was still there, the shared history, the easy camaraderie.
As they talked, an idea began to form, a shared adventure, a chance to recapture the spirit of their youth.
We traveled the world together, exploring ancient ruins in Greece, hiking the Inca Trail to Machu Picchu, and soaking up the vibrant culture of Southeast Asia.
Their friendship, once strained by time and distance, was now stronger than ever.
Our story is a beautiful testament to the enduring power of friendship and the transformative potential of shared experiences in midlife. It's a reminder to cherish the relationships that matter most and to never underestimate the power of reconnecting with those who know us best.
Risks, following our hearts, and finding fulfillment in making a difference. Our final story takes us to the heart of Italy, where we meet Jenny, a woman who proves that learning has no age limit and that dreams, like fine wine, only get better with time. Jenny had always been fascinated by Italy, its rich history, its vibrant culture, its beautiful language. She had dreamed of visiting Italy since she was a little girl, poring over travel magazines, her head filled with images of rolling vineyards, charming villages, and delicious pasta dishes. But life, as it often does, got in the way. Then came her 50th birthday. It was a time of reflection, a moment to take stock of her life and ask herself, what do I really want? The answer was clear. It was time to finally make that trip to Italy. Jenny didn't just want to be a tourist. She wanted to immerse herself in the culture, to connect with locals, and to finally learn Italian, the language that had captivated her for so long. She enrolled in an intensive Italian language course, spent hours studying grammar and vocabulary, and even started watching Italian movies and listening to Italian music to train her ear. When she finally set foot in Italy, it felt like coming home. Armed with her newfound language skills, Jenny navigated the bustling markets of Florence, conversed with locals in cafes, and even led culinary tours, sharing her passion for Italian food and culture with fellow travelers. Jenny's story is a powerful reminder that it's never too late to learn something new, to pursue a long-held dream, or to embrace the transformative power of travel. We've just toured the exhilarating landscape of midlife, from rediscovering passions and revamping lifestyles to financial strategizing and relationship revitalizing. If you're inspired by these stories, hit that like button, share your thoughts, and subscribe for more adventures. What's your midlife story? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear it. Remember, midlife isn't a crisis, it's your new frontier. Explore it with gusto. Catch you in the next video.